Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelation. So today we are going to make a simple yet delicious tomato pulao in pressure cooker. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. For this, I've taken jeera rice. This is the brand of rice that I'll be using in this recipe. Now the quantity that I'll be using will serve 4 people. So I'm going to use 300 grams of rice. This is a measuring cup. You can also use a weighing scale to measure the quantity of rice. Now to make this pulao, we'll be using boiled hot water. So I'm going to use 300 grams cup for this same purpose. I'll be using 2 cups of water, that is 600 grams. I'll be explaining in detail the measurements that we'll be using for making this pulao, so please do not skip, watch till the end. So here I've added 2 cups of water. We'll rinse the rice and we'll also keep this water for boiling. Next, let's take the pressure cooker. Once hot, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee, that is clarified butter. Once the oil is hot enough, we'll add the spices. Here I've taken 1 teaspoon cumin seed, then 1 teaspoon clove, 2-inch piece of cinnamon, 3 cardamom pods and 1 teaspoon of shajeera. Stir the spices for about a minute. Ensure that the flame is on medium. Then add finely sliced onions. These are 4 medium-sized onions. Saute the onions till they turn translucent. You can add in a little bit of salt so that it speeds up the sauteing process. Next, we'll add green chili slit into 2 pieces. Then 1 whole garlic crushed. Saute garlic till the raw smell goes away. Then we'll add salt. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Then 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix the spices really well. Please ensure that the flame is on medium and do not burn the spices. Now to this we'll be adding tomato puree. This is homemade tomato puree. I've just blended 4 ripe tomatoes in a blender jar, and then we'll be adding this to the cooker. So the quantity would be around 300 grams, that is 1 cup. Now cook this puree really well till the oil separates. Now you can see that the oil has separated. Now to this we'll be adding a handful of finely chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped mint leaves. Mint leaves will add a nice freshness and aroma to this pulao. Now do not overcook them, just mix and then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cashew. Finally add veggies of your choice. Here I've taken broccoli and cauliflower florets. Then 1 cup of green peas. You do not have to cook the vegetables at this point of time, just mix and add rice. Please note that I've just rinsed and drained the rice. Please do not soak it for a long time. Rinse and then take it out immediately and keep it out on a strainer. Mix the rice gently and add the hot water which we had kept aside for boiling. Please note that the quantity and the measurements that I've used is for jeera rice. If you're using any other type of rice, the quantity of water used will be slightly different, because I had tried the same recipe with basmati rice and it came out slightly in a soggy, clumpy consistency. However, if you're using jeera rice, this recipe will turn out really good. You should definitely try it. Now finally to this I'll be adding again 1 teaspoon of finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped mint leaves. At this stage, check the salt. It should be slightly on the higher side. Then close the lid of the pressure cooker. Now the cooking time, that is after closing the lid, should be between 5 to 8 minutes. There is no need of any whistle. You can see after 8 minutes, I am checking the pulao. It is perfectly cooked. Now once the cooking is done, please do not keep it in the pressure cooker. Move it onto a casserole or another larger vessel so that the rice doesn't stick to each other. If you're a non-vegetarian, you can also add in fried chicken at this point. After 2 to 3 layers, add in 1 teaspoon of ghee so that the rice remains moist. You can serve this with mint chutney, raita and also egg and fried papads. This is a very good combination. I hope you all like this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations and please do share your feedback in the comment section below.